Trump's executive order mandating proof of citizenship to vote blocked by federal judge. In a major legal setback for former President Donald Trump, a federal judge has blocked his recent executive order that would have required proof of U.S. citizenship to vote in federal elections. The decision follows a wave of lawsuits filed by civil rights organizations and voting rights advocates, who argued the order was unconstitutional and discriminatory. The executive order, signed earlier this year, sought to tighten voting requirements ahead of the 2024 election by mandating that all voters provide documentation proving their citizenship. Trump and his allies claimed the measure was necessary to prevent voter fraud, although widespread fraud has not been substantiated in U.S. elections. However, critics said the order would disproportionately affect minority, immigrant, and low-income communities, many of whom face challenges accessing birth certificates, passports, or other document. Voting rights groups warned that millions of eligible voters could be disenfranchised. The judge ruled that the order violates the National Voter Registration Act and places an undue burden on voters. The ruling emphasized that election laws must protect both the integrity of the vote and the accessibility of the voting process. In response, Trump's campaign released a statement condemning the decision and announcing plans to appeal the ruling, stating that citizenship verification is common sense. The move comes as voting rights remain a hot-button issue heading into the 2024 presidential election, with several Republican-led states pushing for stricter voting laws and Democrats advocating for broader access to the ballot. Legal experts say the issue could eventually reach the Supreme Court, especially if the executive order is reinstated on appeal.